Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make organic Holi colors at home. Making your own natural colors is a wonderful way to celebrate joyfully and safely. You will learn to create beautiful, vibrant hues using common kitchen ingredients, ensuring a skin-friendly and eco-conscious festival. This guide provides simple, step-by-step instructions for crafting various shades, making your celebrations even more special and memorable for everyone involved. Let's start with yellow and red. For a bright yellow, mix about 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with 4 tablespoons of gram flour. This creates a lovely, soft texture. To achieve a natural red, extract juice from beetroot or use its dried powder. Remember to dry these color mixtures completely in the sun for several hours, ensuring they are ready for a vibrant celebration. Now, let's explore green and blue. For a beautiful green, you can use a paste made from spinach leaves or finely ground dried neem leaves. To create a deep blue, indigo powder is excellent, or you can use dried blue hibiscus flowers. Mix these natural elements with a base such as cornstarch or arrowroot powder to give them volume and a soft texture. Finally, some tips for storage and usage. Always store your freshly made organic colors in airtight containers to maintain their freshness and prevent moisture absorption. It is crucial to ensure the colors are completely dry before storing them to avoid any mold formation. These gentle, natural colors are perfect for a joyful, skin-friendly celebration, making your festival truly special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.